everyone, and welcome to the walking tour of the Great Fire of London. Today we're going to visit two stops in particular that the fire greatly impacted: the Pudding Lane and the Royal Exchange. First here is Pudding Lane, and this is a historic street right north of the London Bridge and west of the Tower Bridge. And this is a very busy street, and back in 1666 it was also a very busy street. Right here used to be a bakery owned by a man named Thomas Farragut. Around 2 o'clock in the morning of September 2nd, 1666, Farragut allegedly forgot to damp down the oven. However, he disputed this account and said that he turned off the oven and put out the fire before he went to bed. But his servant said otherwise. Now, he argued that the blaze didn't even start near the oven and insisted that it started from the building next to him. However, historians agreed that this bakery was the start of the fire. The flames swiftly engulfed the entire neighborhood and the neighboring buildings, especially an inn that was right across the street made of plaster, wood, and straws. These are all flammable materials, and all the other surrounding buildings were made of the same material. The fire swiftly knew no bounds as it devoured the warehouses of Thames Street, which were filled with oils, tar, wines, and other combustible items. And so began the infamous Great Fire of London. Now we're at the Royal Exchange, and I'm gonna hand it off to Ryan.
What's up? We're at the Royal Exchange here. This was built by Sir Thomas Grisham in 1556. And it was a place where brokers and traders could meet. It was from all cultures ranging from French, Swedish, Spanish, Portuguese. They would all meet here and trade, and really helped bring the culture together in Europe as a whole, where people would come and exchange like materials and items from different cultures. This building was active until 1666 when the Great Fire burned it down, and it was inactive for about a year as they rebuilt it, and it opened back up in 1667 because they realized how important it was to the city as a whole to bring people together. And the fact that this building still is here from 1666 and being burnt down and rebuilt just shows how important it was to the culture as it lived through all the gentrification and modernization of London as a whole. And the inside's changed a bit from brokers. It's all nice shops now, so we're gonna go take a look at the inside. Thanks for visiting these two spots with us. Hope you guys enjoyed.